Hello viewers, welcome to Safari Soul. My name is Daniel. Behind the camera is...
I'm Stevie.
Welcome to the channel. This is our first major video and we're going to be doing also our very first major trip where we're traveling from Nairobi, Kenya to Kigali, Rwanda via Kampala, Uganda.
And as Daniel has told you guys, I'm Steve. And what we'll be doing for today, so the goal for today is we've broken this trip into 3 different days. So for today we're starting from Nairobi and then we hope to go up to Kisumu and then we'll spend the night in Kisumu. So we'll see you guys on the road. This guy is Martin is my brother. And the car of choice for this trip is going to be this Mazda Xela. It's a 1500cc petrol and ready to go. So see you guys on the road.
Before starting the journey, let me quickly walk you through some of the preparation steps we took before starting this trip. The first and most obvious one was ensuring that the car was serviced and ready to hit the road. We did this at a Rubis service station in Sigona. Nice. The last thing we did before leaving the service station was to swap one of the worn-out tires of the Xela and replace it with a new one. Just when we thought we were done with everything at the service station, we noticed one of the daytime running lights of the car wasn't working correctly. So we had to get that fixed the very next day.
So I think ilikuwa loose. Alafu kesho niko safari so nimepitia.
Sawa, wewe ukiona kama nini? Ujaribu ununue zingine.
Sawa.
Kama mwaka imeisha na.
Okay.
Hizi wa lunch na mpaka siku na.
Kuja tu nyingine. Kuja nyingine ni same type ama different?
Ni same tu.
Kuja nyingine.
Ndio siko sawa. Hizi ni madrid.
Okay guys, so we've now hit the road officially. Our starting location is Zambezi. So here we are. This is me. And Daniel is over here.
Trying to clear space.
He's busy trying to clear space for more footage, which you guys will see. So when you see the footage, just know this is where it came from. Yeah, but this is where we're starting. And then see you guys ahead. Current location, Waiyaki Way. Let's go. I do like, money my friends. It feels so nice when you're in Kigali, man. We still have a long way to go. It feels so good. do a quick fuel stop here at Nairobi. Yeah. Niaje? Poa poa. Nieke 5k.
Eh?
5k.
5k.
Eh.
Boleh tank tak?
So we're at the fuel station. You can see here, currently we have 14 kilometers of range. So let's see what it is like when it finishes. To fuel, we're fueling 5,000 Kenya shillings for now. So we'll add it up at the end and see how much we spent. But 5,000 Kenya shillings, you can see the range is going up. So it's increasing as it's fueling. Then we'll see how much we spent for the entire trip.
I wanted to do.
Nice, we're done fueling, let's go. So the fuel range that we have right now is around 400 kilometers. Should take us to Kisumu. Kisumu is about 300 kilometers or so, so we're good to go. Let's go. I see the birds up there. Nice. I know they're targeting. One thing I'll need from your phone is you can set up for me navigation to Narok.
Got you. Where's Narok?
Downloaded it yesterday. Could not forget. It's just so many things that are going to be happening. So let's just get something quick to eat at Naivas, then see you guys back. Yep. Stop this thing. Our next stop from here is the viewpoint. See you guys at the viewpoint. Let's go. I see the birds up there. Nice. I know they're targeting. One thing I'll need from your phone is you can set up for me navigation to Narok. lot of road constructions going on. You need to be keen, not like here. Seeing my Mahiu Narok, you need to take this route. Initially, we weren't doing this. I used to turn ahead there, but now you'll find that the one ahead is closed because of construction. You get?
Is underpass?
Yeah, underpass and the road entire being renovated. We'll see when we get there. I'm sure you'll see a difference. I haven't been this side in a while. It's time to make friends with trucks for the next few days. Stop believing. Not too hazard for him to know I'm on the road, my guy. Those are serious. So this is where we're coming from initially. This is where I used to join the Narok road. Yeah. From Waiyaki Way. So Waiyaki Way is still here, you see it? So this is where we used to join from, and then the underpass, yeah, and then the underpass is here. So this is my Mahiu. Yeah, the one going to Narok. Okay, I'm going to have no choice but to just stop at one of these.
About an hour away from Nairobi was our very first major planned stop, which was at a viewpoint that overlooks the Great Rift Valley. You're looking at a massive trench that stretches from Lebanon all the way to Mozambique. Standing here at the edge of the escarpment, looking down at Mount Longnot and the valley floor thousands of feet below, you really start to feel how big this journey to Rwanda is going to be.
Yeah, so this is the viewpoint. This is Daniel and I. And we're at the viewpoint. So this is the Rift Valley. This is what it looks like down there. That's where we're heading towards Narok. And then this is the highest peak at the viewpoint. It's called Mount Longonot. This one. So usually there's two parts of the viewpoint. There's this road, and then there's another road up which goes to Nakuru. So at this point, you just feel free to stop. There's a lot of trucks, but to stop, there's some good stuff that you can buy here for souvenirs if you're visiting. Some Maasai shukas and other interesting beads that they're handcrafted here. Whenever you come to Kenya, guys, take some time off, stand here and have a good time. Usually the sunset is also good because the sun sets from this view, so the sunset is usually nice.
At this point, we weren't doing so well with time and we had to hit the road again, with our next major stop being Kisumu. We'll be showing you guys the next stage of our trip in the next video. See you guys then.